G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. We're showing you our new BTN 585. Looks very similar to a BTN 580. It's twice the size, 200mm, 100mm. Comes with all the harnesses and everything you'd require. And it fits perfectly. If you go in here, it's default to the radio. It's got our RDS, so it sees your station identifiers, sound. It's got that great feature everybody loves. You just key in the frequency you want to listen to. So if you want to say, Danny, you want to listen to 3Z boring, you can type it in, you get, and it's very, very simple. On the main screen, we've got options like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth. We can set up things in the menu. We've got graphic equalizer and under the audio. We can set up the loudness subwoofer. Generally, we can turn the beep off and on, reverse lines, external, internal microphone. We always recommend an external microphone. The video, you can set it darker. You can check into a few of the licensing sort of aspect of it. But obviously everyone wants these because they've got reverse camera capable, and we've fitted one in this car here. So you've got the reverse camera. What you can see there is the dealer's trade plate hanging off the back. Into Bluetooth now, so we're just going to open up and get into Bluetooth here. So the unit will pair. Now mine's Paul's another iPhone, will pair to that. It's pairing, it's got a key number. We're going to allow. We're all in there. So we've paired to the phone. We've paired my phone to the thing there, and it comes up there and it gives you little details of the Bluetooth connection, how fully charged the phone is, the contacts. It'll download your phone books, you can see your call logs, you can play music from it. You can do all the sort of things you do with Bluetooth, so that's pretty cool. If you go to the main screen, it's already beaten me to it, it's a bit quick for me. It's got CarPlay. Now it's all wireless. You can see there, I'm not having you on, it's all wireless. Works pretty quick too. You can see how quickly it connects. All your favourite things, your Google Maps are there. Spotify is on. You can do all your things. You can send and receive text messages. You can set up your normal apps, your podcasts. It's all there. Your Hey Siri, call Sonia wife.
Calling Sonia wife mobile.
We won't do that. We won't do that because she'll only want to talk. So everything there, and it's all wireless. Now you'll be thinking, oh, only half the population's got an Apple phone, and that's right. It works on any of your later model Android phones as well. If you're capable of doing wireless Android Auto, you can have wireless as well. So it's a really cool feature. We've only just landed it. We've got this in both our Toyota size, we've got it in our 9-inch size, and we've got it in our double DIN size. So anyone can have wireless CarPlay. It's a really good improvement, and we're very happy to be able to offer it nearly across all our range. So you want to buy one of these, which is a BTN 585. They're available online at oemaudio.co.nz. You can come and see us at 18 College Street in Sydenham. We've got over 20 resellers throughout the country. You can see them. Give us a call on 0508 636 283.